Hey guys, so today this is the look we're gonna be creating. It is a Valentine's Day inspired kind of look. I kept it simple, you know, like very light, something romantic, and hopefully you guys can follow along. And make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. So to begin, we're gonna start with prep. I'm gonna use this moisturizer to moisturize my skin. This one is the Natural Hydrating Cream by Natural Skin Solution. I love this, it's so good. Moisturizes and softens your skin. It's really, really great. It has collagen. It's a collagen moisturizing nourishing cream, una crema nutritiva.
It feels amazing.
This is a really good base. Start off your makeup. Moisturizing your skin is super important when you're gonna apply makeup.
It helps it blend better.
So next, get into the brows.
So a lot of people like to start with the face. I mean, it's really your preference. I like to start with the brows and then work into the eyes and then do the face. So I mean, it's really whatever your preference is.
So I'm gonna zoom it in so you guys can see my brow right there.
And let's get to it.
I'm gonna be using for my brows the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill Pencil. It comes with a spoolie. I'm gonna use the spoolie to brush my hairs up.
And then I'm gonna begin filling them in.
I like to begin at the top of the arch and then fill in the tail. You see the difference? Now with the spoolie, I'm just gonna blend the front part here.
And guys, eyebrows. My eyebrows are not even. I try to do the best that I can to make them as even as possible, but they're never gonna be perfect, so don't freak out. There's always gonna be one that's more arched than the other.
And the same thing, comb it up. See, now here, I started from the beginning. See?
Blend it towards the middle to give it like a blended out effect. And there you go.
And now to clean up the brows, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. Put a little dot. Nice. So now that we have our brows done, I'm going to move on to the eye by prepping my eye with the NYX white eyeshadow base. It is my ultimate favorite because it's white, and as soon as you put it on your eyes, whatever color you put is automatically gonna pop. So that's why I like using white. So this is basically gonna go all over the lid. I still haven't mastered doing my makeup without doing like really horrendous faces, so if you guys don't mind my crazy faces. So since we're doing a Valentine's kind of look, I'm kind of like winging it, but my favorite palette right now, Modern Renaissance palette. See? It's like perfect Valentine shades. It has like the pink, it has like the warm gold, it has the pearl, the iridescent whatever pearl color. Super cute. I think it's the perfect palette to get whatever type of Valentine's Day look you want to get, so I'm gonna use it. I definitely like that this color is called Love Letter. That's so cute. So I'm gonna do something with that color. I think I'm gonna start with this one as the transition, and then let's see where we go from there. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'm going to use Bone Fresco, and then using this fluffy Sigma brush, E40. So what is a transition shade? A transition shade is a light shade that you want to place just above the crease, because you see this is the brow bone, this is right below the brow bone, above the crease, this is the crease, this is the lid. There you go. See how that looks? It's like a shadow of lavender. So I use very, very light movements. Like I'm holding the brush all the way at the end, if you can see, like kind of like this. I'm going like this, see? Like it's light little movements. I'm gonna use the same brush because I want to have a really nice soft blend. I don't want it to be like super dark. This is already a dark shade, so I'm just gonna tap it a little bit, tap off the excess, and then instead of going all the way up there, I'm just gonna focus on doing it like right here. Kind of giving it like a little bit of a more in the crease. This is where I am right now. And you see the crease is like more of a windshield wipe motion. So I'm gonna get in a little bit closer. Maybe you guys can take a look at what I'm doing here. Gonna keep building. So now you see we have the base. Now we want to build wherever we want more color. So here I'm gonna tap. Now pretty soon I'm gonna be switching to a different brush because I want more density in the color. Pretty, so pretty. You see here, I'm just tapping. This color, which is Tempera. It's like a peachy shade. No, it's not like a peachy shade. It's more like a... ¿Cómo es la vaina esa?
So now I'm applying like that light shade, Tempera, and blending it inwards. And I'm using tapping motions. So what's gonna happen now is that we don't keep blending! Woohoo!
This one, and we're gonna blend some.
Grab a little tiny bit of the Buon Fresco Pretty Lavender and brush it towards the center, towards the lighter shade. Ooh, look how pretty that looks.
We're gonna use the Vermeer, like the pearly iridescent shade right here. Look how pretty. So now, because we want gorgeous, soft, and supple skin, we are going to apply the Rose Gold Elixir all over this. I'm going to move on to my foundation, and then I'm going to continue doing the under eyes. What's next? Today for my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This stuff is really good, and it only costs like $7-8 at Walgreens, CVS, any drugstore that you have nearby. Super cheap, super good. It's my style. I'm going to be using this brush right here. A little bit. I'm just gonna like take some and kind of go like this.
And then use circular motions.
Stop being weird.
I don't like to layer on pounds of foundation, guys. I don't think it's really necessary, because then you end up looking like a cake face. And that's not cute. Try to do it light in the beginning and then work your way towards full coverage. Like, don't just like slap it all on there, you know, right away. Because maybe you don't need a lot in your entire face, you know? Maybe it's just certain areas.
Don't worry about getting it too much under the eyes. I mean, I put a little bit, but really now when I put the concealer, that's really gonna cover up that area. Like this.
So I like to focus the heaviest part of my foundation right here. See? This area here, this area here, this area here, and pretty much the T-zone, you know? So I'm doing both some tapping and some circular.
We're gonna go with some concealer now. So after the brush, I kind of feel like I want to blend a little bit more. So the wedge will work. We're gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape again, and we're gonna put one little dot right and one little dot. And with my little beauty wedge, see, it's not a beauty blender, but it's a beauty wedge. Just gonna blend it. Guys, like, I used to put a ton of concealer under my eye. I don't do that shit no more because I don't need it. Unless I purposely want to, you know, like, I purposely want to put like 10 pounds of light concealer under my eye, if that's the look I'm going for. But like, realistically, no, it's not needed. So, you know, for everyday wear, it instantly brightens the face. And now we bake. Soft. It's a soft bake. I just put a little bit and it works perfectly fine. See? I'm just tapping it and that's it. Don't I look so cute like this? And so then I'll take the powder and I'll use it to set my whole face.
Since I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth powder.
This is the Maybelline Set and Smooth. Obviously, I use this like every day. Just take a little bit and just pat it around. So I ran out of my MAC Studio Fix foundation, sadly. I have to get more. So when I run out of that, my backup is the Maybelline Fit Me.
They're looking for a great dupe for MAC. Maybelline has great quality for sure.
So now that we're done with the face, I'm gonna go back in and add some more shadow under the eye and finish up the rest of my eye look. I'm gonna go back in with Love Letter
And spread that all under the eye.
Now I'm gonna grab this little blending brush, little stiff one, and I'm gonna blend it out. So for my eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I love this. It glides on so good. That's probably why they call it Glide On.
Look how dark it is.
I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna leave my eyes like this. I know you all are like, what the hell is she doing? Why isn't she doing eyeliner? Because sometimes, I mean, you don't always have to do eyeliner. That's just how it is. You know, you don't gotta follow society's rules. If you don't feel like putting on eyeliner, then don't. I don't. So for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara Original. I got my lashes lifted, so I'm not gonna put on lashes today. Oh my god, no she didn't. Right, I'm not putting on lashes. I got a lash lift. That's why, because I don't want to put on lashes. So let's zoom in so you guys can see the lash lift action when you put on mascara. So typically I would have to curl my lashes to get them to look like this. Since I have the lash lift, I don't need that. What a difference. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. Like, this eye is alive and this eye is like totally dead. You see that? Let's bring this other eye to life now. Right, guys, so now my eyes are ready, right? So I'm going to speed through this because my battery is dying. Okay, we're gonna do contour, powder contour. We're gonna do blush, and then we're gonna do a really quick lip. So, hurry up. For the contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder palette. Gonna be using these two shades right here, really quickly. This is the face. Do the duck face, and then shade right there. Rather.
Oh my god, guys. I'm like freaking out.
We're going to set first with the Dewy NYX finishing spray. While we do that, while our makeup sets, I'm going to wipe off my chapstick in a hurry because time is clicking. And I'm gonna do my lips really, really quick. I'm gonna use this Ofra lip liner, and I like to overline my lips. Now we're gonna top it off with some lip gloss. I'm using Shiny Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this blush right here. That is gonna bring it all together, folks. And now, last but not least, we highlight. I am using Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold or Fondue. And I'm just gonna use my finger. Ooh. Yes. So freaking pretty. Love this. Can I just highlight forever? There you go. So this is a look. I'm super excited. I think this is the first time that I do a full makeup tutorial with my new camera and my new recording setup. So I'm super excited to see what you guys think. This is the look. It's super romantic. It's like a soft Valentine's Day inspired look. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you can continue to get notified when I post up new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!